We're at the Alton Towers Hotel and we've been cancelled. And in room 101.
In the bed.
So we're going to have a look at this room. I forgot which room it is. The Explorer room.
The Explorer room at the Alton Towers Hotel.
The Alton Towers, we'll just got a little sneaky peek of the bathroom there. So, room 101. We've been officially cancelled, haven't we?
We have indeed.
Yeah, we've been chucked in. We are no more bears.
Honestly, when the room number come up last night, I cracked myself out and I thought it was hilarious.
It was
as soon as I saw it, I was at 101.
And guess what happened to come onto the TV last night?
Room 101.
It did, didn't it? She can give us a guided tour of room 101 at the Alton Towers Hotel.
Yeah, first of all, you do have an ironing board and an iron.
Yeah.
And you do have like a little baby cot and there's some storage. The only thing with this room is you don't get a mini fridge. So the other rooms that we stayed in, so we stayed in a Moon Explorer, is it?
Yeah, the bear room we call it.
Yeah, the bear room. You get a fridge there and it does make a difference.
Yeah, especially if you're in a couple of days, because we like to bring a few snacks and water, extra water, rather than bothering the reception. I know you can get it, but we like our own, don't we?
So that's the only thing I'd say, that it's just, it is really, really good to have that. But of course, if you're only here the one night and that doesn't bother you, then it's not an issue, is it? So
not really, no, to be honest. But I think the day and age we're in, a little fridge can be pretty standard.
Yeah,
to be honest.
it can. You do get a fan as well, because you don't get aircon in this room.
We will show you this, guys, because it is like a jumbo jet being turned on, and it doesn't work like that. Turn that, there we go. I'm pretty sure the sound is coming across on that. It's not the quietest of fans, is
No,
it?
it's not. But at least it's there.
But it is there. We could have done with it last night because it was a little bit warm, wasn't it? And we'll talk about the window in just a moment.
Yeah.
But we've got our amenities.
Tea making facilities, which is really good. It's just nice to have, isn't it?
Yeah, it's always nice to get a quick brew. I do like these things as well, though. Bronte.
Yes.
Yeah, we do like them, don't we? And we usually have a little card here. It says, it's usually Leah, to be honest.
Cleaned our room, Leah.
It's always Leah.
Yeah.
But Leah hasn't done this one today. No one, we don't know who's done it. Be Frank Skinner, wouldn't it?
Yeah. The one thing I would say about this room is very light.
Yes.
So some of the theme rooms can be pretty dark. This room is very light, it's very airy, it feels very spacious.
Yeah, we haven't even got all the lights on, guys. Usually we'd have to turn all of them on to do a room tour for you, but yeah, it seems all right in here, to be honest.
Really good. And then one other thing I would say is, there is some plugs down at the bottom there, but that's your only real plug source. So it's all right if you've got USBs, but if you've got the other USB, whatever it is, obviously it's a little bit difficult, so just bear that in mind.
Yeah, I'll just throw it out there. Apple fans, if you've got your MacBook or anything, it doesn't fit in those plugs there because it's too big, you know. You Apple people will know. Anyway, that's the problem we faced last night, trying to charge Had's watch.
There is a new thing.
Oh yeah, says us.
Text now.
Yeah, so you can now 24/7 hotel information. Please don't text the number, guys, if you're not here.
No, of course not.
But if you are here,
Towels,
pillows, water, questions.
Yeah, even if you've got a question about the theme park or water park, if you text them a question,
yeah,
they'll respond to you.
That's brilliant, that is, to be honest. And when we checked in last night, the chap on the front desk was telling us all about it. It's really good. It seems really good thing. Quick. They said it's instant responses as soon as they can obviously read it and respond.
Yeah. And then another new perk actually that you get with staying over at the hotel is early ride time.
Oh, you do indeed. I think it's only until the start of September, so you have to get in quick. But Nemesis and Curse of Alton Manor.
Yeah, I think that's a fantastic idea to do early ride time. It just gives you a little bit more of an incentive to stay.
Yeah, but we're going to check what that's like out in a little bit, so make sure you stay tuned on the channel for that video, guys. We'll give us a good full review. Is it worth it? We will find out. But what else have we got left? We haven't even talked about the main event, the bed there.
Oh, the bed's very, very comfortable.
Very comfortable, isn't it?
But you have got a couple of chairs, which is good, and a table. This little lovely view.
We're on the bottom floor today.
Yeah, we've never been on this floor before.
No, what we will say is you can't open the windows. They usually have these, so you can only open them about that much anyway.
I don't know whether it's security or something. They probably don't want the ducks jumping in.
Yeah, we thought it might be like, because we usually leave the window open just to get some air in, don't we? And then if we come back and the ducks were like just sitting here or just having a nice waddle around, probably not what you want, is it?
No,
So I can understand probably why, but if you could have a catch or something, or a note saying "Do not leave window open."
Yeah, or something. But I'm not that fussed.
And because it's summer, it's warm. Winter, you want it closed anyway.
Yeah. These are the other beds. This one just pulls out, which is really, really good. Ugh, I'm not going to pull it out too much now.
No, nice lovely divan.
And you do get an activity book as well.
Oh,
which
yeah.
I'm excited to do this.
So we're going to fill this in the Nemesis queue later on.
Yeah. There's a spot the difference that I want to do.
Oh, that's good.
And there's a code breaker. I like them. That's fun.
Colour it in.
And then you can draw a picture of yourself as well.
Oh, very fancy.
Drawing Sir Al on his next adventure.
And you do get some crayons as well there.
Yeah,
It's just a little
you
bit.
do.
The kid's busy for an hour, won't it? It's all
Exactly,
good.
Definitely.
And the bed, Ev?
The bed, it is really, really comfortable.
Give it a go.
Oh,
It's a nice one, isn't it, to be honest? All the beds at Towers are pretty comfy, I think.
yeah.
They're all really nice.
We've never had, like
Any
an
issues?
uncomfortable hard bed or anything. They've always been really comfy. So.
Yeah, we liked them.
And then if you need more pillows, if you just text
Just
that
text your number. I mean, you could just pinch them off the kids' bed as well, to be fair. If it's just
unless
us
you've
two,
got
like
kids.
us.
Yeah. Yeah.
You just got your storage here as well. A couple of drawers and things. Oh, there's a hairdryer in there, Ev.
Yeah.
Well, there's a hairdryer. What else have we got? What's in Mr. Tumble's drawer? Nothing.
Mr. Towers drawer.
Mr. Towers drawer. Well, it's based on Sir Algernon, this is.
Yeah.
So what's in Darwin's drawer? Nothing. Darwin's got nothing for us.
The mirrors are really good as well because there's a big one there and there's a nice big one here as well. So, like I say, because the room's really light,
Yeah, I think the mirrors really help us out, don't they?
Yeah,
Really
it
help the
really
light
does.
around.
So then last is the bathroom.
The bathroom. Ooh.
So we have had showers and stuff, so please excuse the towels.
The
in
towels,
bath.
but that's always the best place to put them if you're done with your towels.
Yeah.
Put them in the bath and then the cleaners know what. And then if you're using them again the next day, just you can hang them up on the rails and stuff.
They won't take them, yeah.
Yeah, there was a sign somewhere.
our environment.
Yeah, have a read of that.
So the shower was really powerful, to be fair.
It was, yeah, it was a really good one.
Powerful. And obviously you get your little toiletries, so you get a little shampoo, bath and shower gel, shampoo and little soaps, which is really nice as well.
Yeah.
Just because sometimes you don't always want to bring it.
Yeah, I mean, it's a bit plain, but it's one of the more standard rooms, so we completely understand.
Yeah,
The
definitely.
only thing I will say with the shower, the hinge there was a bit loose, so you had to hold it up a little bit. But it seems to be a thing with hotel showers, not just at Alton Towers, just generally. We had it in Manchester a few weeks ago, we watched
did
Avril Lavigne,
actually,
didn't we?
yeah. And
So-
the shower head was just like that.
Yeah, perhaps it's just not one of the checks they do.
Yeah,
I don't
maybe,
know.
I'm
There,
not sure,
there you
but-
go. Hotel quality checks, not just towers, everywhere. One for the list. Wow, it's been a lovely stay in the, I keep forgetting, Explorer room?
Explorer room, yeah.
It's because there's so many different rooms. There's Arctic Explorer, Moon Explorer, Moon Voyager,
Yeah.
and then you got the Explorer room. But it's really nice. I really like it. What do you think, Ev?
I really, really like it as well. I do like the carpet too, it's quite cute.
Yeah, we'll get another look at
checking
that.
that out earlier. You know, when you just get distracted by patterns.
It's like an atlas, isn't it? It's like we're on the world.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
Cute.
really good. And one of the more affordable rooms at Towers, you can drop on here. We were last minute, so you can really look for a deal, to be honest.
Yeah, you can.
Keep your eye out on the Merlin Holiday Club. But if you've liked this one, guys, leave a like, subscribe. See you soon. Whoop, whoop.